Good morning, students, and welcome to another online biology classroom of St. Michaels Academy. Today, I am going to continue the another portion, or rather, next part of body fluid and circulation. So, the first question is, what is blood transfusion? A blood transfusion is a way of adding blood to your body after an illness or injury. If your body is missing one or more of the components that make up healthy blood, a transfusion can help supply what your body is missing. Depending on how much blood you need, a transfusion can take between 1 and 4 hours. About 5 million Americans need a blood transfusion every year, and the procedure is usually safe. Now, the next question is, what happens during a blood transfusion? Your blood is made up of several different parts, including red and white cells, plasma, and platelets. Whole blood refers to blood that has all of them. In some cases, you may need to have a transfusion that uses whole blood, but it's more likely that you will need a specific component. Now, the next question is, what is coagulation and what is the mechanism of coagulation? The mechanism of coagulation involves activation, adhesion, and aggregation of platelets, as well as deposition and maturation of fibrin. Coagulation begins almost instantly after an injury to the blood vessel has damaged the endothelium lining the blood vessel. The mechanism of hemostasis can divide into four stages. Number one, constriction of the blood vessel. Number two, formation of a temporary platelet plug. Number three, activation of the coagulation cascade. And number four, formation of fibrin plug or the final clot. See the diagram, the steps of the mechanism of blood coagulation has been shown over here. Now, another terminology is anticoagulants. Actually, what are anticoagulants? Anticoagulants, commonly known as now another this related terminology, coagulation related terminology is blood bank. What is blood bank? Blood bank is a place where blood is collected from donors, typed, separated into components, stored, and prepared for transfusion to recipients. Now we are going to start another system, that is lymphatic system. But before starting this, I just want to tell you what is lymph. Your lymphatic system is a network of organs, vessels, and lymph nodes situated throughout your body. Many lymph nodes are located in your head and neck region. Lymph nodes that frequently swell are in this area as well as in your armpits and groin area. You can see in the diagram it has been clearly shown the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. The primary function of the lymphatic system is to transport. Now we are going to discuss about two types of fluid. One is body fluid and another one is tissue fluid. What is body fluid? Body fluids or bodily fluids or biofluids are liquids within the human body. In lean healthy adult men, the total body water is about 60%, that is 60 to 67% of the total body. Generally, body fluids include urine, semen, saliva, etc. Now, the next fluid name is tissue fluid. Tissue fluid is a fluid that permeates the spaces between individual cells, that is in osmotic contact with the blood and lymph, and that serves in interstitial transport of nutrients and waste. Now I'm going to talk about a disease, that is edema. Spelling is Oedema. But remember this pronunciation will be edema. What is edema? Edema is the medical word for a build up of fluid in the body which causes swelling. The most common types of swelling for people living with a terminal illness are peripheral edema, that is swelling under the skin, often in the legs. Now, what is the treatment of edema or it? More severe edema may be treated with drugs that help your body expel excess fluid in the form of urine, that is diuretics. One of the most common diuretics is furosemide or Lasix. However, your doctor will determine whether these types of medication are a good option for you based on your personal medical history. For any doubts or queries, please email me at shudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. We also welcome your responses by way of your views and feedback on the PPTs or videos at feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com. You have sent me worksheet. The students, I hardly two students have sent me worksheet. I have checked it. But yesterday, whatever worksheet I have given in Microsoft Forms, I have got 5 answers, 5 responses, but without name. And it has been clearly written over there that without name, Microsoft Forms will not be evaluated. So I'm very sorry to say your any form will not be evaluated because you have completely forgotten, or else maybe you have not written your name over there. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.